What is KML? KML stands for Keyhole Markup Language. So this is an XML based format for storing geographical data and associated or attribute or content. Once this has become the Open Geospatial Consortium standard, this is now a common format for sharing the geographic data among softwares. So this has all the information, and this is a vector data kind of thing, and various operations, various applications deals with it. So this is a standard now. The Keyhole Markup Language, KML, is essentially a shapefile only, and this is now XML based. So you want to share data, you want to say send data, and you want to show the data. Data means point, line, polygon, features, all these on internet, on internet based application. For this we needed some different kind of say data, not the shapefiles. So we got KML and this KMZ. So KML is a single file, KMZ is a compressed file. So these are basically the shape files. So this is a globe, if you see, and over this we are showing shape, and even you can see the 3D version of these shapes. These are basically polygons, points only. So KML is an XML notation in order to express the geographic annotation, and you can show it on 2D maps and 3D maps, browsers and application. So KML was developed for using it with Google Earth, and which was originally named as Keyhole Earth Viewer. And since it was developed by a company called Keyhole, which was actually acquired by Google in 2004. So this KML, Keyhole Markup Language, has become the international standard from 2008, because OGC made this standard. So there are various programs. Google Earth was the first one where these KML files can be edited, and then we have Marble and all those applications now have this KML support. So these are these shapes, polygon, point, line, and that can be shown in various applications, especially the internet and the browser. KML, KMZ, these are the file extension you will form.